Hello, my name is Emily. I am 10 years old, and I want to tell you about my family, our home, and the fun things we do together. In my family, there are 5 people. My mom, my dad, my older brother Jake, and my little sister Lily. We also have a cute dog named Buddy who is a part of our family too. First, let me tell you about my family and their hobbies. My mom's name is Sarah. She has long, blonde hair and is very kind. My mom is a teacher at a school near our house, and she loves her job because she likes to help young children learn. Her hobby is gardening. She grows colorful flowers like roses, tulips, and daisies in our garden. Sometimes, she lets me help water the plants, and I love to see them bloom. My dad's name is Tom. He is tall and has black hair. He is an engineer and works in an office in the city. My dad designs buildings and helps create places where people can live and work. His hobby is fishing. Every month, he takes me or Jake to a nearby lake, where we sit quietly and wait for the fish to bite. My dad says fishing is relaxing because it's peaceful by the water. My brother's name is Jake. He is 14 years old, so he is older than me. Jake is very smart and likes to study. He is in high school and works hard every day. His favorite subject in school is science, and he loves to learn about space and planets. His hobby is playing video games. He has a gaming computer in his room and often plays with his friends online. He also loves reading science books, and he tells me fun facts about things like dinosaurs or how stars are formed. My little sister Lily is only 6 years old. She is very funny and always makes us laugh. Lily's hobby is drawing. She loves to use her crayons and colored pencils to create pretty pictures of animals and flowers. She says she wants to be an artist when she grows up. Now, let me tell you about our rooms. We each have our own space, and every room is different. My room is upstairs, and it's my favorite place in the whole house. I have a cozy bed with a blue blanket and 2 soft pillows. My bed is next to a window, so I can see the trees and sky from my room. The walls are painted light blue. I have stickers of stars, moons, and clouds on the ceiling. When I turn off the lights at night, the stars glow, and it feels like I am sleeping under the sky. In my room, I also have a desk where I do my homework. My desk is white, and I keep my books, notebooks, and pens neatly on it. There's a small lamp on the desk that I use at night, and I also have a shelf filled with my favorite toys and stuffed animals. I even have a tiny fish tank with a goldfish named Bubbles. He swims around all day, and I love watching him. Jake's room is right next to mine, and it's bigger than my room. Jake has a big bed with a dark blue blanket and lots of pillows. His room has grey walls, and he has a few posters of his favorite scientists and astronauts on the walls. Jake has a large bookshelf where he keeps his science and history books. He also has a gaming computer on a black desk with a comfortable chair. His room has a closet where he keeps all his clothes and shoes, and he also has a small cabinet filled with model rockets and planets. Jake says he loves his room because it's where he can study and play games. Lily's room is small but very cute. Her walls are painted pink, and she has fairy lights around her bed. Her bed has a fluffy pink blanket, and she has a big teddy bear sitting on it. Lily has a small table where she draws and paints. She has a shelf with all her crayons, markers, and coloring books. There is also a dollhouse in her room with tiny furniture and dolls that she loves to play with. On the wall, she has drawings of animals and flowers that she made herself. Her room is full of colors and makes everyone smile. Our house is cozy and has a big garden outside. We live in a 2-story house with a white exterior and a red roof. Downstairs, we have the living room, kitchen, dining room, and a bathroom. The living room is where we all spend a lot of time together. There's a big, soft sofa where we sit and watch TV. We also have a small table with a lamp and some family photos. The kitchen is very important to us. My mom loves to cook, and I like to help her. The kitchen has a big fridge with all our food. There is a stove for cooking, and a large table where we eat. My mom says I am good at helping her make cookies and cakes. Jake and Lily sometimes help too, and we all have fun cooking together. Now, let me tell you about our vacations. During the summer, we all go to the beach. We pack our bags with swimsuits, towels, and sunscreen, and we drive to a beach that's about 2 hours away. At the beach, my dad teaches us how to swim, and my mom likes to read books while we play in the sand. Jake loves to build sand castles, and Lily and I like to collect shells. Buddy, our dog, comes with us too, and he loves to play in the water. In the winter, we go to the mountains. We stay in a small cabin and drink hot chocolate by the fireplace. My dad takes us skiing, and my mom loves to take pictures of the beautiful snow. I enjoy making snowmen with my brother and sister. Our vacations are the best because we all do things together, and we make happy memories. At home, we also enjoy our weekends together. On Saturdays, we often go to the park nearby. We take Buddy, and he runs around while we play. My dad sometimes brings a football, and we play together. My mom brings snacks, and we have a little picnic. It's so much fun to be outside together. On Sundays, we stay at home. My mom loves to bake, and I help her in the kitchen. She teaches me how to mix ingredients and measure everything. My dad sometimes takes us to the library to borrow books, and Jake helps me pick good ones. Reading is one of my favorite things to do because it lets me imagine different worlds and learn new things. In the evenings, we all sit together and watch a movie or a TV show. Lily likes to pick funny shows, and we all laugh together. After the movie, we go to bed and get ready for the next day. I love my family, my home, and the fun times we share together. Each person in my family is special, and I feel very happy and lucky to have them in my life. Family is the best, and I wouldn't change them for anything in the world. If you want to learn new vocabulary on different topics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for new stories.